Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Tierra PH, aka IC Content Creations. Thank you for joining me this evening. We're gonna do somewhat of a quick Photoshop tutorial, and it's gonna be real basic as possible. I say that because I really want to explain as much as I can with these basic editing tips. And everything is important, everything matters, especially when it comes to designing your own thing. And so I'm going to get right to it. I'm going to go to File, New, and I'm going to go to the default photo size, and I'm going to pick this one here. And you can play around with everything, but this is really basic right now, so I'm gonna keep it simple and go ahead and create. Boom, there we go. And as you can see in your layers panel, here is the background, and that is your first layer, your first initial layer. This one will not be touched at all. This is why there's a lock on it, so you can try to move it or whatever you want to, and it's not going to. This is asking if you want to convert to a normal layer. We're just gonna get out of this because, like I said, we don't want to touch this period. Unless you want to delete it, then you unlock it and then you delete it. Period. But anyway, moving right along, we're gonna go and upload an image, and I'm just gonna pick this one here. Boom, just like that. And you're gonna hit the check mark to clear it on up. And as you notice, there's a gray square here, and that square represents a smart object. As soon as you upload any image, anytime you upload an image, it's always going to be a smart object automatically. And a smart object you can't really edit. Like you can, you can move it around, resize it a little bit, but that's probably as far as you go when it comes to editing, like deleting and cropping and things like that. Yes, you're gonna have a hard time. So, what we're gonna do right now is go ahead and rasterize and all layers. That way you can really do your thing. With this particular one, we're not even really going to edit this background. As a matter of fact, we're going to zoom in because this background is really far away. So what you would do is hit Z. You could also hit this magnifying object here. And there's a plus here that means zoom in. When you hit Alt on your keyboard, and you see the minus sign, this means zoom out. All right, so that's one thing. And this looks like a pretty nice spot, and you want to go to your move tool and go back here, and we're going to go ahead and grab another pick. Let's see here. Ooh, Groot. I am Groot. Okay, whoa, he's pretty big. So what we're gonna do is resize Groot so that he fits inside the background. You feel me? And so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And see, he's outlined already. And yeah, I outlined him already, so you really don't have to worry about that. But when it comes to just adding two layers together, you see that? He is still a smart object as well. And we're going to try to use the opacity to make him kind of blend in. Yeah, that's dope. Real dope. And so that's how you do that, and that's pretty basic 1-2 step with adding two layers and blending in. When it comes to erasing things, you would go to the eraser. And as you notice, something was not rasterized, I'm sorry. And so you would hit OK to rasterize that. All right. And this is how you would, where did he go? Oh, yeah. So that's how you erase. You just go here. And of course, first you would have to rasterize the object first. We're going to Control Z to bring him back. All right. So, yeah, that's one of my favorite things to do as well. Erasing and editing. Erasing is your friend, and it's all kind of ways to do that as well. But this is, like I said, one of the basic editors. I'm sorry, edits. Okay, it's been a long day. All right, so yeah, that's pretty basic right there. Pretty boring. You want to get into some good stuff? I can do that for you. But for now, for those of you who are having a hard time trying to figure out, why can't I edit my photos? Why isn't this moving or scaling the way that I want to? Always check to see if you rasterize your object, and you always go to Layer, Rasterize. Or you could click it, and of course the program will definitely let you know if you can do that, if you can edit it or not. So that's one simple 1-2 for you. We can definitely get back into some other stuff. It's so much fun. So many more things that we can do. And I will share with you guys everything that I know. So, in the meantime, in between time, thank you and have a good day. Peace.